So Gav, late goal to concede and disappointing defeat in the end. How are you feeling after that?
Yeah, I think all the boys are very disappointed. Literally, I honestly thought that in parts of the game we controlled the game, and then to the way that they scored, that was a killer for me. We've gone down one pitch, a long ball, and then next minute, great finish from the lad, but disappointing. We should have been a lot tighter, but better performance than last week, and there's things that to improve on, obviously. But
You're saying is a better performance than last week. Do you think the team deserved at least a point out of this game?
Well, obviously I would say that. I think there was two penalty situations. Referee was a bit, especially the first one on Ash. I thought it was a blatant push, especially in the box, and unfortunately we didn't get it. But obviously, we didn't create that much. A young boy in goal. Didn't really test him really. That was a little bit disappointing. But overall, we worked hard tonight. We made it difficult for him. But as I said, in large parts, we look better tonight.
Still early in the season. Do you look at the table at this point? Have you got to that point in the season where you start looking? Or is that way away yet?
I don't think there's a point of looking at it, mate, to be truthful. Biggest thing is that, we get our house in order. We've 3 games down without a win. Next week, big tough game against Carnarvon again. But on our day, we know for a fact, we can beat anybody. But literally, we need to get together.
So after today's defeat, but you did say, as you said, there was improvements. Slight more improvement. You think? Pretty sure you can get a result against Carnarvon?
Yeah, I think if you look at it for the 75, we try to work on something in midweek, especially through the middle of the park. That we were far tighter. We got on top of them tonight. I thought Paolo was man of the match for me tonight. He was absolutely fantastic, and some very good performances in our team. It's just unfortunately again, it's just that final third that we're not really ticking on. Wrong decisions at the key times. But same thing, something to work on Tuesday and roll on to Gavin Allen.